Welcome to the Salesforce Development Lesson 13, Part 2, Flight Seats Screen Flow video. And today we're going to finish up the Create Flight Seats flow. In this video we're going to show you how to add the Create Flight Seats button that I have here that creates the flight seats. So let's get started. All right, so first thing we want to do is we want to go ahead, you want to click on the gear icon. There's a couple ways we can go here. One way is we can go to the setup page, and then from the setup page you go to you can take it to the object manager. But a shortcut you can take is you can just click Edit Object, and it takes you directly to the setup page's object manager. That's probably the quickest way to get there. So we'll go ahead and do that. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click on the button links and actions. That's what we want to do. We want to click on button links and actions. As you can see, I already have the flight seat created. So I'm going to go ahead and click edit just to show you what we did here. So here, what you had to do is you had to click on select the action type, which was flow. Once you selected the action type, in the drop down you wanted to select the flow that you want, and this is the flow we want is the screen flow that creates the flight seats. You can see here we're not using a standard label, so what we do is we went ahead and created our own label. So create flight seats, so that gives you the label that you see here for creating the flight seats on the button. Then the last thing is a short description, which you can add here. You can put whatever you want there. So once you're done with that, you're going to hit save. Again, I'm going to hit cancel because this is already created. And the way you connect this to the screen is, if you remember from the previous video with the screen flow video, is you need to go to the page layout, and in the page layout you're going to go ahead and click on the flight layout, and as you can see down here, this is the create flight seats. If this is that actual button that we created. Now this is already selected, so I didn't have to drag it down here. But what you need to do is, if you didn't have this, so let me put this back up here. When you finish, it's going to look like this. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to drag it from up here all the way down until, especially if you want it at the beginning, you want to put it all the way at the beginning here of the Salesforce Mobile and Lightning Experience Actions. And then that creates the button for you. So you go ahead and you can save it. I'm going to go ahead and cancel this one because I already have this set up. And now all you have to do is click Create Flight Seats. Now I don't want to create the flight seat here because my flight seats have already been created. They already exist, so I don't want to create another set of them. So what I really want to do is I want to go ahead and create a new flight. So let's go ahead and create our return flight back on this plane. So we'll go ahead and do plane. Flight number is 0002, and let's see, departing airport, we're going to go, this is going to be our return flight. Arriving, it's going to be PDL. The departing date, let's say this is going to be January, it'll be returning on Friday. Departing time, so let's say it leaves at noon in San Francisco. So that'll be 12 p.m. The arrival date will be the 6th again. And then the arrival time. So it's going back in. It's a 5-hour flight, so it should be 5 o'clock. But the problem is you got to go 3 more hours, so it's not going to really arrive till 8 o'clock Eastern. So it's going to be 8 p.m. All right, so once you're done with that, we're going to go ahead and save it. And again, it's going to go ahead and create our flight. Now to create the flight seat, we're just going to hit create flight seat. And it's going to run, do its thing. Let's say the flight seats have been created. Click finish. And voila, we have all of our flight seats. And just to check it, view all, looks like it's creating, everything got created properly. So we should be good there. So we'll go back to flight 0001. Oh, do we have two flights? Take a look. Oh no, I had 000, so that's good. Flight 0001. So we're good here. Thought I had some replication there, but it looks good. Okay, so I think that looks good. And that just shows you how to add an action button that executes your screen flow. All right, so thanks for joining me. Again, if you could like and subscribe, really appreciate it. And until next time, see you later.